my name is Gonzalez-Lamb, and today for my DIY, I'm going to be showing you Stitchy Universe Slime. And did you know that our universe is expanding constantly since the universe started? So the things you're going to be needing are clear glue, borax, but 1 teaspoon of borax. I already added this in here. And you're gonna need, if you can add some sparkles if you want, and red food coloring and blue food coloring. And I added this so my mat wouldn't get messy. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to be needing is some glue. Okay. And then you're going to be needing six drops of blue food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops of blue food coloring. And it says here 3 drops of red food coloring to get a nice purple. And then I have my mixing bowl. So we got our nice purple. And then we're going to add our sparks, some of these. So we're going to mix this. Now we're going to be adding, I think I'm going to add a little bit, because I like mine super shiny, so I'm going to be adding a little bit more of red. That's good. And now we're going to be adding some borax. We don't need a lot because it's super strong. You want to mix it right before, just in case you didn't mix it that well. And you have to add 1 teaspoon of borax and mixed with water. Now put some of this. And we're going to mix it. Now you might see that it is starting to become slime. Now if it's too sticky, you're going to need some more borax. Okay. See, now I like to do my hands when I see that it's not that sticky anymore. I like to use my hands. Well, this is still a little bit sticky, so I think we're still going to need a little bit more activator because it's a little sticky for me. Okay. Now mix this together. This is NASA Galaxy Slime. Now I'm going to be putting it in my container. And I like this slime. It's super stretchy and nice. But now we're going to be putting it in here. Make sure to get all your slime. Thank you for watching my NASA slime video.